Come here, Yantami. Ikeder. We need to find longs. There, I found it. 169. See? There, oh. Cool. Where's your shoes? Are you looking at Mickey Mouse? So we have here this one. Look at these shoes. So cute for winter. There you go. And then we also have this one. Three pieces of hand gloves for my kids. There we go. And then of course this one. This is what we got. Let's take off the price. There you go. Longs. It's almost like Samina could use it during winter time. Nice color. So as this one, two tights, colorful. Yeah, kids love colorful stuff. There you go. And then this one. Samina loves Mickey Mouse. So I only got shoes for my son and then shoes for me. Look at this one. Oops. There you go.